Selamat datang everybody. Thanks for clicking on this video. In this video we are doing a lesson requested by one of my subscribers. Thank you Kirsty Brown for requesting this topic. In this lesson I will teach you Indonesian words related to nature. Let's begin. Daun means leaf. Daun. Daun. Sungai means river. Sungai. Sungai. Pohon means tree. Pohon. Pohon. Bukit means hill. Bukit. Bukit. Hutan means forest. Hutan. Hutan. Bunga means flower. Bunga. Bunga. Gua means cave. Gua. Gua. Burung means bird. Burung. Burung. Awan means cloud. Awan. Awan. Danau means lake. Danau. Danau. Samudra means ocean. Samudra. Samudra. Rumput means grass. Rumput. Rumput. Mekar means blossom. Mekar. Mekar. Akar means root. Akar. Akar. Dahan means branch. Dahan. Dahan. Cactus means cactus. 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 Batang kayu means log. Batang kayu. Batang kayu. Kayu bakar means wood. Kayu bakar. Kayu bakar. Batu means rock. Batu. Batu. Gunung api means volcano. Gunung api. Gunung api. Kerikil means gravel. Kerikil. Kerikil. Kolam means pond. Kolam. Kolam. So here are some few words related to nature. Hopefully you've learned something. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or topic ideas, just leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Sampai jumpa!